How to connect a TX7100 smoke detector to the control panel. First, turn off the control panel before starting. TX7100 detector base, TX7980, is equipped with 8 terminals to support its internal functions. For loop installation, only the following terminals are used to connect the incoming and outgoing loop lines. 1 loop in, 5 loop in, 2 loop out, 6 loop out. These terminals provide the standard loop connection points required for integration within the addressable fire alarm system. Use the programmer to assign a unique address between 1 and 254. Secure the base, place the detector on top, and twist to lock it. Power up the panel. The detector should appear on the loop and show a normal status. Run a smoke test to confirm proper operation. And that's how you connect a TX7100 smoke detector to the fire alarm panel. Easy, fast, and reliable.